Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Hello my beautiful people. I love you all and you love us so. Okay, this video is crochet's many things like capsule designs. We can't different kinds capsules, poncho yourself this idea, absolute idea behind me such in video insulated pictures, reference, how beautiful meet that handbag, how you to carry and which bag for yourself. Crotches is something that I am obsessed with so and more of emotions. I have emotions conditions with the crotches like I have sweaters, t-shirts, poncho design. It's up to me how I styles them. This is video basically idea to present and how you can make ones for yourself and you can dress up easily is crochet things. So these are poncho designs, shorts, cardigans. So these different amazing kind of patterns. Seriously, you one can it has taught in others creatures of in a totally different. This linguine is my most favorite that already have different colors. It has beans, it has different amazing top. Oh my god, I am so obsessed with these turning and mative turning and never out of patience, never can on solid poncho. And okay, this one is so pretty and flat tummy in your now. This is an solid top and my favorite blue white combinations that absence with being on so pretty model is so very pretty. These tops inside crochet cardigans and poncho design. So thanks for watching. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.